Hello, and welcome to this short tutorial about how to use the inspect feature in Chrome. So let's say we want to change the CSS of this element to make the picture disappear. Only this one and not this one. And note that this is only one element. It's a post grid element, so all of these are in only one element. So you right click and then you go to inspect. Then you turn off toggle device toolbar if this is enabled. You go back down to where it was, here. You can click again if you want to be certain you've got the right one. And now here on the right, this is what is selected. You see that on the left, it gets marked up when we hover over the divisions that contains this. What we want to do is to find the parent element that contains only what we want to change. So this one contains it, this one, and this parent contains it, but it also contains the title. We want the title to remain. So only this one is the right. This is the right thing we want to modify. The selection is only what we want, and it's also the most parent element that contains this. So now we right click, go to copy, and we select copy selector. So now the selector is copied, and now we go down to this part in the styles tab. We want to go click here on the small plus to create a new style. And now we will just click on Ctrl V to paste, or Command V on Apple. So this is the selector that we copied. And now we click on Enter. All right. So now the only thing remaining is to add some CSS and see what happens. So we want to go right where the bracket opens. And here, let's say we want this picture to disappear, so we'll set display to none. And there we go. Only the picture here disappeared. These pictures remain intact. And we have the live preview. We can see it disappeared. If I erase one letter, it comes back. So that's how it's done. And you can also use the arrow to get a live preview of what every option looks like. So this is useful. In this example, not so useful, but with other changes sometimes we want to make, this can be very useful to try out all the different options. So that's how it's done. And now you can just select, when you get everything looking the way you want, you select everything, you copy, and you go paste it in the CSS. Let's go in Elementor. So you have the option in page setting, here down left in settings, page setting, you have custom CSS. Or you can also go in the element itself. Let's say I want to change this element here. So I could also go here in advanced and in custom CSS here. And the other option is to simply create an HTML element. If you don't have Elementor Pro, you can create an HTML element and put it inside of style tags, like here. And you can put it anywhere on the page. So that's it. Thanks for watching.